Hello and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library. In this video we'll be going over how to create a Mango Languages account. If you have not already created a Mango Languages account when trying to sign in with your library card, you will need to do so in order to save your progress as you use the Mango Languages program. So here we are just on the sign in page on Mango Languages. And to sign up for an account, we just need to click on this box at the bottom of the screen here. And it will now ask us to enter our information, including an email address, our library card number, and then a password. Just going to enter all of this information in. Just be one moment. And it will ask you to read through this information and data collection consent before you continue. So you can just read through this information. At the end, you just click I agree. And it will now create our profile. And we can select a language we would like to start to learn.